Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered why life exists on Earth and seemingly nowhere else in our solar system? Why is this planet, out of all the planets orbiting the Sun, perfectly suited to nurture oceans, forests, and every living creature? What cosmic factors came together to create this delicate balance, and could it ever happen again somewhere else in the universe? Now, imagine a distant world orbiting a faraway star, with oceans that shimmer under skies of unfamiliar colors, mountains taller than anything on Earth, and life that could already be thriving in ways we can barely imagine. But here's the catch: we may never find it or understand it unless we grasp the invisible boundaries that govern where life can exist, the mysterious Goldilocks Zone. If this sparks your curiosity, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Join Space Facts as we journey through the universe's most delicate balance, uncovering where life can truly exist. Have you ever paused to think about why Earth is the only known planet brimming with life? Why, out of billions of stars and countless planets, we occupy a space where conditions are just right? The answer lies in a concept astronomers call the Goldilocks Zone. This narrow cosmic region is not too hot, not too cold, but perfectly balanced to allow liquid water, the foundation of life, to exist. It is this precise positioning that makes Earth a living planet rather than a barren rock like Mars or a scorching wasteland like Venus. The idea of a habitable zone is deceptively simple yet profound. Too close to a star and a planet becomes a furnace, vaporizing oceans and baking its surface. Too far and it freezes solid, leaving no chance for water to flow. Only in the middle, the so-called Goldilocks Zone, does liquid water exist, a prerequisite for life as we know it. Life on Earth is intrinsically tied to water. From microscopic organisms in the deepest oceans to lush rainforests, every living thing depends on this universal solvent. The concept was rigorously explored by scientists like James Casting, whose models in the late 20th century defined how stellar energy, distance, and planetary conditions converged to make a planet habitable. Earth sits about 150 million kilometers from the Sun, far enough to avoid scorching heat, yet close enough to prevent freezing. This balance is delicate, and the Goldilocks Zone itself shifts over time. Stars like the Sun grow brighter as they age, gradually pushing the habitable zone outward. In roughly 1 billion years, Earth might drift out of this life-sustaining band. But being in the right zone is just the beginning. Habitability depends on many other factors. A planet needs an atmosphere to trap heat, a magnetic field to shield it from stellar radiation, and geological activity to recycle nutrients. Venus may have once been in the habitable zone, but today it's a hellish greenhouse world. Mars, near the outer edge, may have once hosted rivers and lakes, yet it is now a frozen desert. Life requires not only the right distance, but also the right conditions across multiple fronts. Thanks to technological advances, astronomers are now exploring thousands of planets beyond our solar system. The Kepler Space Telescope first revealed thousands of exoplanets, and the James Webb Space Telescope is now analyzing atmospheres for signs of oxygen, methane, and water vapor. Planets like Kepler 452b orbit within their star's habitable zones, offering tantalizing hints that Earth may not be unique. The TRAPPIST-1 system, just 40 light-years away, hosts 7 Earth-sized planets, 3 of which sit comfortably in the habitable zone. Scientists scrutinize these worlds, searching for biosignatures that could indicate life, from simple microbes to complex ecosystems. The Goldilocks Zone extends beyond distance. It is influenced by stellar type, planetary mass, atmosphere, and magnetic protection. Red dwarf stars, though abundant, can erupt violently, stripping atmospheres from nearby planets. Conversely, larger stars have wider habitable zones but shorter lifespans, potentially giving life less time to develop. This delicate interplay shows that Earth is not merely lucky, it exists at the intersection of numerous cosmic factors that together make life possible. Even the constants of physics appear finely tuned to allow stars, chemistry, and planets to form. Life is not just a product of Earth's location, but the entire universe operating in balance. When we peer into the night sky, the questions we ask are timeless. Who are we? Where did we come from? When did life begin? How common is life in the universe? Every discovery of a potentially habitable world brings us closer to answers.
And maybe one day, a signal from a distant planet in its own Goldilocks zone will confirm we are not alone, a civilization thriving in a place just as delicate and precise as Earth. Until that day, we must appreciate our planet. Every breath, every ocean wave, every drop of water is the result of billions of years of cosmic precision. Earth is not just in the right place by chance, it is the outcome of an intricate, balanced universe that makes life possible. The Goldilocks Zone reminds us that our planet is part of a larger cosmic story, one filled with wonder, complexity, and the potential for discovery. If this journey through the Goldilocks Zone captured your imagination, smash that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and make sure to subscribe to Space Facts for more journeys into the mysteries of the cosmos. From distant exoplanets to the physics of life itself, we bring the universe closer to you, one fact at a time. Your next cosmic adventure starts here.